I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we just want to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Another day here, another dollar, another trading. We've got another job report and the disastrous news. People don't want to work. There's plenty of jobs, but people don't want to get out there and make any money. So what do? What's happening with the trading session this morning? Well, we'll start off with the SPY. It traded up a dollar. It was down to 438. Went up a dollar. Went down. They bought the dip again. Is the dip in for the day? Do we come in? Are we coming to react and take out some of this motion to the upside, or are we just following the trend all the way down to 427 again? I don't know. I can't call it. I can't call it. You go here, and then you go here, and then we have to pull up one of these. And drop it all the way down to right there. So now let's get this on a smaller time frame and zoom in for you. It plays out down to the 5-minute candle. So we're down to the 5-minute candle. You're catching support here. Rip. Now, are we going to rip past this and come up here to 440, 441 range? And then that's where we fail. And then we come back down and meet up around 440 for the day? Possibly. That could be realistic. So mark it down. Kaler calls it out here. 441.50 would be your high of the day if we reach it there. But I'm going to call out 441 with a end of day. You're going to end up right around that 440 mark for the day, in my opinion. Let's see what happens. Could flush down and break past the 438. If it did, which it's not looking to do so right now, looking like we're wanting to go higher and break past that high right now as I'm speaking. But if we were to break down and come down here, then 435 is a clear area for me. 434 is what I called in the pre-market 434.99 for the low side. But that is if you are trying to predict the market, which you don't do. You trade what the market's doing. So at this point, am I buying this rip right now? No, I'd buy in a pullback. Now, if I see a break of 440.39 and then it pulls back and holds support right below it, and then starts to push again, then maybe I get in at that position. But right now, I'm late to the party here, late to the party here. These are the entries that I would wanted to be in, but I missed it, so I'm not going to chase up here. It's not what we do here. We do not chase. So hopefully this stuff helps people like you. And if you do, if it does, hit that like button, hit that share, comment, thumbs up is always nice, but we're just out here trying to help out, give our opinions, not give you advice and tell you what to buy or where to buy or when to buy, just telling you what we think, what we're doing this morning, our ideas are on. And we're going to pull up DraftKings because we've got a prediction for DraftKings over the next 3 months. It's looking like it's in a pattern that could go to the upside. And we might be able to capitalize on something here. And if it goes to the downside, we'll be ready for that too with a tight stop loss. But look at these patterns. So 49.50 support, you have your order in there, you're getting picked up, and then you're looking to get to that 51 to the upside, or 50 for the first target. 52 is the second target. But right now, it's setting up to where you have a long position. Let's just say you're late to the party by the time you see this, and you want to get in right around here. Well, your downside risk is a little too much for my liking right now, but there is a decent upside. So we're looking at a risk-reward ratio of 1.99 with a stop out just below that 48. So I say 48.50 though in the group. So there you go. There's your 1.34 ratio. Now, if I go here and go to my $50 target, then this would be if you're doing a first target, second target, first target. Then look, you get in here and you get super tight on your entry. You know, you want to get a lot closer to what it's at now. You got to jump on this thing and have your stop just below here. So it makes the risk reward still work out at a 1.86 if you can fill right even right at the price that it was at right then. So that's your move, that's your shaker, that's your maker, that's what you're looking at right there to try to get into something. And then if we're going to pull this thing back to tell you where we think it go to the downside, you have 48 to the downside, and then you've got a long way up to 60s to the upside. So putting in a double top here at the trend line, let's see if it bounces off that support level like it did, and let's see if it can come in here and then over the next 2 months, like we said, and then by the end of this month, squeeze and pop up to the upside. So could be a shares play. You just get some pick up shares, like once, twice, 3, 4. You're making money on all these. So it's worked over and over and over again. The trend works until it doesn't. If it breaks through this line at any point while you're trading it, I bet this thing will follow through this until it goes down or up to the upside. You know, it may, obviously you're like, well, duh, it'll stay in there until it goes up or down. But what I mean is you'll see how it trades in between these ranges. So that's what we got for you there on DraftKings. So that's our trade idea of the day. And if you have anything that you'd like for us to review for you, you'd like some levels, a trade opinion, trade ideas, and we're here for you at Elite Trading anytime. We always do about a 10-minute episode every morning talking about what trades we're looking at, what we're trying to do this morning, and go over that with you. X is the last one I'm going to go over today. X has been looking like it's ready to go on some support levels here. Possibly just a nice little play for $1. So we're looking to get $1 from 2062 up to 2162, getting past this 2150. You know, just trying to get some type of an easy trade out of this one with a tight stop loss of about 40 cents. So looking at that one on X, it's been beaten up lately. Down and out, blood in the streets. Look at that thing. It's just, you know, it's finding support here. Look at that green level. That's the elite level telling you, let's get in this thing. 2091, tight stop loss right there at 1980, you know, 1950, $20.50, sorry. If you want to have a higher risk, then you can. It's up to you. It's what you're comfortable with doing. If not, you try to put in an order down here at 16 and walk away and see if it ever gets there. I don't think it will. I think you're going to get a 50% retracement to 24 on this bad boy in the near future. So we'll see how that pans out. Appreciate you watching this, and I hope you learned something or gained something out of it. But you guys stay green, stay blessed. Catch us in the Discord and ask some questions, start learning, grow, grab the course that we offer and learn for free right now. Why not? See you guys soon.